I like the Chevy truck.
I do too, but I don't care for this thing.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, the slingshot?
Yeah, at least they have a roof on it. I don't know, man. I can't get into it. It looks terrible. Whoa, check it out. Look at this Corvette, dude.
I like the fucking Model A.
The rod's rad, but the Corvette is what I'm after.
Camaro.
Oh! Yeah! Yes! This rocks!
Was that a Falcon or?
Looks like a Mopar. Oh, yeah. That one's a Barracuda.
Was that a Barracuda? Okay. Everybody cruising their nice cars on a full day.
Yeah, dude, it's Saturday. And it's beautiful out. Oh, there's a Lamborghini? No, what is that? We gotta catch it, I don't know what that is. Oh my god, I'm gonna
try to catch that, dude.
Go. And you gotta get it, go. Oh my god, what is that?
I don't know. Hey, sidewalk, go around it.
Just get it. Oh, there's no way we're gonna get it.
Hey, go in and back out right here.
Yeah. Just keep going, just go. Oh, that was legal, totally legal. I think we're gonna catch it, Yes, what the heck is this? And what is this?
I don't know, dude. I'm still gonna go through it.
Yeah, me too. Oh my gosh. What am I looking at?
What the hell is that? Dude, that is fucking sick.
ONG. No, it's a 1. What am I looking at?
Whoa. Oh,
a Mesa?
Mesa.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh. That thing is bad. I don't know what that is, but that thing is badass.
Oh my god.
His window's open on the left.
All right. What is this? I can't hear you anyway. It's so cool.
Dude, he's got a Whipple supercharger on it and everything, dude.
Is this American? Wow.
Wow, dude, this is fucking badass.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Chevy, it's an LS.
Is that LS?
Maybe not an LS. It's a Chevy though.
It's probably LS. That's probably bad, dude.
Wow, never have I seen a car like that on the road.
That's straight up race car.
Yeah, that's race car. This is like icing on the cake for today.
Who knows what you're gonna see in this town?
Where are we?
This is San Jose still.
Oh, we're still in San Jose? Okay. Oh, you know what? I recognize. I've been here before. Never mind.
Yeah, San Jose is huge.
Oh my god.
San Jose is over 1 million people by itself. 1.5 million, I think now. Hey, you know that license plate frame you saw that says Camden Hound on my bike?
No.
That's the dealership right there on the left. That it was before it was GP Sports.
Okay. Man, this thing is just incredible. At first I thought I was looking at a Lamborghini, but this is like so much more exotic than a Lamborghini.
Oh yeah.
Look at that windshield.
Dude, like I say, it's straight up race car shit, you know?
My gosh. The Willwood brakes. The fact that it's configured like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna keep staring at this thing. It looks like he has a camera on the back so he can see.
Yeah, you can't see anything out of the back window of that. It's all motor and wing.
These are like the fattest rear tires ever. I mean, it's hard to even do a burnout with those tires unless he just lays it out. We're going flat out.
How would you like to do a track day with that?
Yeah. I bet that guy just gets people like bombarding him all day with photos. Like, look at that Accord pacing and taking photos. Look. Just like us.
I wish I could. My camera on my phone died on me. I broke the glass lens on it ever since then.
That sucks.
Yeah.
What doesn't suck is this car.
Unfortunately, I want to take a left here, but I'm going to go straight and catch a different road.
Okay.
I'll let you look at that one. Dude, I love the headlights on it.
I love everything about it.
That's something I'm going to have to Google later.
Yeah, me too. Look how close it is to the ground. It's like 2 inches.
Green light, green light.
I can't believe he can even keep up to us on these 110s. I have no idea what you're saying.
But you know what? People have so much money in this area. You know.
Yeah.
We'll be taking a right turn up here a little bit.
Goodbye. That was awesome. Wow.